Imagine this, you've just landed your dream job and life is looking pretty awesome. But then the reality check hits. Bills, student loans, unexpected expenses, and suddenly that dream job doesn't feel so dreamy anymore. It's tough to manage your finances when you're in the trenches of everyday life. Now here's the twist. What if I told you that you can master essential financial skills in just one day? It might sound too good to be true, but it's entirely possible. In today's fast-paced economy, being financially savvy is crucial, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your money game. This video is your cheat sheet to navigating the world of personal finance and achieving your financial goals. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and get ready to transform your financial habits in less than 10 minutes. Let's do this. Welcome to Financial Literacy 101. Why is financial education so important? It's like trying to navigate a new city without a map. You might get lost or miss out on some pretty cool spots. Similarly, without financial know-how, you could make decisions that don't serve you in the long run. Imagine trying to fix a car without knowing the basics of mechanics. You might end up spending more than you should or making things worse. That's why understanding the fundamentals of personal finance is so important. It's your roadmap to making informed decisions, avoiding costly mistakes, and achieving your financial goals. Here's the deal. Having a good grasp of your finances isn't just about numbers and formulas. It's about empowering yourself to make the most out of life. Think of it as your secret weapon to unlock your dreams. Whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or starting a business, financial literacy gives you the confidence and know-how to pursue what you really want. So let's break down these essential financial concepts, demystify the jargon, and give you the tools to become a financial pro. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. We know that talking about money can be awkward, but guess what? You're not alone. Many people feel uncomfortable discussing finances, but that doesn't mean we should shy away from it. The truth is, ignoring our financial situation won't make it go away. It'll only make things worse in the long run. So we're here to tell you that it's time to face the facts, take charge of your financial future, and learn how to manage your money like a boss. And hey, if it helps, you can always bring a friend or family member along for support. After all, knowledge is power, and having someone by your side can make the journey even more rewarding. So let's banish that money taboo and get started. Here are 3 reasons why you need financial literacy in your life. Number 1, you'll make better financial decisions. Picture this, you're planning to buy a new car. With financial literacy, you'll know how much you can afford, how to negotiate the price, and how to protect yourself against unexpected repairs. No more impulse purchases or getting caught off guard. Number 2, you'll reduce stress and increase confidence. Think of it like this. When you understand your finances, you'll feel more confident in your ability to handle any financial challenge that comes your way. No more sleepless nights worrying about money. And finally, number 3, you'll achieve your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early, financial literacy will help you define and reach those goals. It's like having a GPS for your finances. The numbers don't have to be intimidating. Let's break it down. Budgeting is like creating a roadmap for your money, helping you balance spending, saving, and debt repayment. It allows you to track where your money goes, make informed choices, and stay on track toward your financial goals. Investing involves putting your money to work, whether in stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's a way to grow your wealth, prepare for retirement, and potentially earn passive income. Understanding investing can help you build long-term wealth and secure your financial future. Credit management is all about using credit responsibly. It's crucial for building a good credit score, securing loans, renting an apartment, and even landing a job. By managing your credit wisely, you can avoid high interest payments, maintain financial flexibility, and open doors to better opportunities. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of each skill. First, budgeting. Create a plan for your finances. Determine your income and expenses, set financial goals, and track your progress. There are various budgeting methods to choose from, such as the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or the envelope system. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Second, investing. Start early and invest consistently. Consider your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon when choosing investments. Diversify your portfolio and don't be afraid to seek professional advice. If you're new to investing, look into low-cost index funds or ETFs, as they generally offer diversification and lower risk. Third, credit management. Check your credit report regularly and focus on improving your credit score. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many accounts at once. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. We know it can be overwhelming to learn all this in one day, but think of it as a starting point. Even small steps like tracking your expenses or investing a small amount can make a big difference over time. There's a common misconception that you need a fancy degree in finance or years of experience to understand financial concepts. The truth is, anyone can learn the basics with a little effort and curiosity. It's like learning to cook. You don't need to be a chef to whip up a tasty meal. Similarly, you don't need to be a financial expert to manage your money effectively. With a bit of practice, patience, and the right resources, you can grasp financial concepts and make informed decisions. Remember, it's all about taking small steps, celebrating your wins, and learning from any slip-ups. Here's the deal. We live in a world where financial knowledge is power. Understanding basic financial concepts like budgeting, investing, and credit management can help you make smarter decisions, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. The good news is, you don't need to be a math wizard or have a fancy finance degree to grasp these concepts. With a little effort, curiosity, and the right resources, you can become financially savvy and take control of your financial future. So don't let anyone tell you that learning about money is too complicated or not for you. Embrace your inner financial genius and get ready to conquer the world with your newfound financial know-how. Who knows? You might even inspire others to do the same. In conclusion, financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions, reducing stress, and achieving your goals. By understanding and practicing budgeting, investing, and credit management, you can pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Don't wait. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. And remember, you don't have to go at it alone. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support and guidance along the way. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial dreams. So take charge of your financial well-being and watch as your dreams take flight. And there you have it. We hope this quick financial literacy crash course has empowered you to take the first steps towards a brighter financial future. Remember, it's all about taking small steps and being consistent. So start with one small change today and watch it grow over time. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Together you can conquer the world of finance and achieve your dreams. Until next time, happy financiering.